Hi, Wally Taylor from Texas Integrative Wellness. I'm here today to try to help you and your family become well and to enjoy prolonged longevity from a whole host of environmental toxins that we're faced with today. One of the questions that I'm always asked in my practice is, what is Lyme disease? I'm not a big fan of the term Lyme disease because Lyme really is just a town in Connecticut where back in the 70s, there was an epidemic of unusual chronic illness that was traced back to people that had sustained tick bites. With further research, it was determined that a number of these individuals were actually infected with a certain species of Borrelia burgdorferi, which was a spirochete bacteria that was discovered and named by Willy Burgdorfer. The illness was often preceded by an unusual, what we call bullseye rash, which was a red spot with a surrounding red ring that kind of was the hallmark of the illness. But it turns out that many of these patients in Lyme, Connecticut, were infected with other germs at the same time, or so-called Lyme co-infections. But this was the epidemic that later created so much controversy and came to be the beginning of this whole era now of Lyme disease and so-called Lyme and co-infections. But in upcoming videos, I'd like to explain quite a little bit more about infection with Borrelia burgdorferi and many of these other bad germs, why it can be so controversial and so problematic and so difficult to treat. But just stay tuned, and if you want to learn more, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If this is helpful to you, please feel free to share it with your friends and family, and have a blessed day.